Are you passionate about creating media content that resonates with today's culture? At Cedarville University, we can help you turn that passion into a fulfilling career. Our Broadcasting, Digital Media, and Journalism, or BDMJ program, is dedicated to developing well-rounded media professionals who honor Christ in their life and work. As a student, you will influence the world through live production, radio, music production, fiction and nonfiction film production, motion graphics, and journalism. You'll get a broad set of digital media skills that prepare you for an evolving industry and learn to analyze and solve complex problems. Plus, you can customize your degree with concentrations that will equip you for media careers in video, audio, and journalism. From planning to production to completion, you'll have the opportunity to develop a craft focused on your career goals. BDMJ graduates are making a significant impact in industries from church media to national news, missionary outreach to professional media production, all while making a meaningful impact for Christ. If you're excited about shaping the future of media for God's glory, Cedarville's BDMJ program may be the perfect fit for you.